facilities to begin. Everybody just be a little bit more patient and make sure that you have your names and numbers. LED TV, you could be walking away with that today as well. And also, don't forget to clearly be seeing more from the Maori Dance Group straight up after this. But we are going to keep now. Everybody, let's give ourselves a round of applause for making our way on this Saturday. All right, without further ado, we've got the school giveaway that's up first.
Thank you, well done. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Look, we want to keep the formalities quite short because we want you to enjoy this day. This is an historic day for your town, and we want you to be part of this history. Firstly, I'd like to thank all the schools that are here today. Thank you very much for coming out. I'll start off with the headmaster of this school, who's worked very hard behind the scenes. Vijay, thank you very much for making us welcome here, and his team for making it possible logistically for us to work here. Thank you to all the teachers, all the students that have come from all the different schools. Walesi is a company that serves the public of Fiji for their digital needs, and we've started off with digital television. So if you've got a Walesi box, we provide you the digital service of being able to view the channels through our platform. You can also download our app on your phones. The Walesi app available on your Google Store and your Apple Store. We also are partners with Digital Fiji. So Digital Fiji is government's initiative to empower all Fijians into the digital world. And for that reason, Walesi is a key contributor in this. And today's launch of public Wi-Fi is one of the reasons why we are here today. Walesi will look to empower all Fijians into the digital world by launching public Wi-Fi hotspots across Fiji. This is our 11th launch. We've done 10 launches already. In terms of ongoing commitment, we're going to all different towns, all different areas. So from the perspective of launching Wi-Fi, this is going to be available to all different parts, to all different people in Fiji and different parts. We would like to thank the Minister and the Prime Minister for their vision in ensuring that the digital path is available to all Fijians. The government of Fiji has committed a lot of resources and a lot of money in developing the digital space for all Fijians for the purpose of education, the purpose of connectivity, and to ensure that we all are able to connect with the outside world and be on par with other international countries as well. Education plays a big role in the digital world, and the government has asked Walesi to be part of this project to ensure that all our students, all our youth are digitally aware and have resources and have connectivity to be able to facilitate their studies and to move further in their career path. Without further ado, if I could go on to thanking our own team, the Walesi team. They've worked very hard to ensure that yet another public Wi-Fi space has been launched, and it's with great pride that I'm going to say this is not about Walesi, this is a government initiative and it's about the people. In conclusion, I'd like to thank the Prime Minister and the Minister of Communication for their great initiative. And this is what we have in Navua today. We enter the new digital world, and without the Prime Minister's vision and the mandate given by the Minister of Communications in his budget, this wouldn't have been possible. This is not the end. We will keep going. Walesi will will carry on the digital initiative. You will see more digital initiatives coming through in the years going forward. The government has committed a lot of resources, so thank you very much. Thank you to the people of Navua. Enjoy your free Wi-Fi. Thank you.